Want people from different countries to understand your Instagram Reels more easily? In this video, I'll show you how to enable translated captions on Instagram Reels so subtitles can automatically appear in different languages. First, open the Instagram app. Once the app opens, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. From the menu at the bottom of the screen, select Reel. Now, you can either record a new reel directly inside Instagram or upload a video from your gallery. After selecting your video, you can continue editing it by adding music, filters, stickers, effects, or text if you want. Once your reel is ready, tap on Next to continue. This will take you to the screen where you can adjust your reel settings before posting. Now scroll down toward the bottom and tap on More Options. Inside this menu, keep scrolling until you find the section called Accessibility and Translations. First, make sure the option called Enable Closed Captions is turned on. This allows Instagram to automatically generate subtitles from the audio in your reel. Right below that, you should also see an option called Translate Closed Captions. Turn this toggle switch on as well. Once enabled, Instagram can automatically translate your reel subtitles for viewers based on their language settings after turning on both options. Tap the back arrow to return to the posting screen. If everything looks good, tap on Share. Thanks for watching.